The Gold Cup should be run at a furious gallop, simply because Richard Johnson likes to get on with things at the best of times, and in Native River he has the perfect ally. This is a horse with stamina to burn, and he will love the soft ground conditions. It's going to turn it into a really grueling test and put great emphasis on jumping. That's going to raise question marks for Arduke and Kilolta, both of whom have been known to make the odd mistake, and in a Gold Cup that's going to be run at a tremendous gallop, it's really going to be vital that they don't block their copybook at any fence. That rhythm is going to be crucial. As for Might Bite and the will he, won't he run out, should he still be in contention when they're coming up the hill, the issue with this as a Gold Cup is it's going to place far more emphasis on jumping and stamina than it is on class. But if he is there, I think Nico de Boinville will try and play him late. I think the worry is the 2 times that he has stopped coming up the hill were when he's in front, and I could see them trying to wait. Nico doing his best Paul Carberry on Archibald impression and waiting till they're over the last before he even moves on him. It was a tactic they used in the King George. He tried to trick him into thinking the last was the second last, and it worked there. I think they're going to have to do the same here, because if he's in front, it's highly likely that he'll pull himself up.